Hey guys! Welcome YouTube channel The Best 5. In this video we're going to be checking out the best security cameras you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on video quality, features, performance and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a budget security camera or more premium model, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay. So let's get started with the video. The product on our list is the TM3 Outdoor Security Camera. This is our best budget outdoor security camera. Most security cameras are known as fixed view cameras like the Google Nest Cam and the Air Low cameras. It's an effective design that offers affordable home security. However, when tighter security is required, many companies will use PTZ cameras. PTZ stands for pan, tilt and zoom. It's the kind of security cameras you see in spy movies. The TM3 has 320-degree horizontal rotation and 110-degree vertical rotation. You get incredible coverage, and the coolest thing is that the pan, tilt and zoom can either be manually controlled with the TM3 app or set to auto mode. Now you'll see what other home security cameras can't. Plus you'll be able to zoom right in without degrading the quality of the image in full HD. The TM3 Outdoor Security Camera now offers an affordable PTZ camera choice for consumers and is priced even lower than most fixed-view cameras. If you're looking for an affordable outdoor security camera, then the TM3 is one of the best value options on the market. The key features are PTZ, it can pan, tilt and zoom. Plus you can control it remotely. To a speaker system lets you see and talk to anyone on your property. Built-in siren in case of emergencies. The TM3 is also equipped with a high decibel siren. Micro SD card slot. The TM3 also comes with a micro SD card slot and supports up to 128 GB for local video storage. A cloud storage subscription is also available at a fraction of our Lowe's cloud storage price. Motion sensor. You can get push notifications when the camera's motion sensors triggered. The pros are price. A true high-tech security camera priced lower than most regular security cameras. 1080p HD video. The quality of the 1080p HD video is detailed and sharp. 3 night modes. 3 wide-angle infrared lights combined with 4 bright LCD lights give you infrared night vision, full-color night vision and smart night vision with built-in Wi-Fi. You can live stream the camera on the app. And for the cons, not discreet. Although the TM3 is small, it's not as discreet as some other security cameras. For anyone looking for a security camera for their home or business, you can have a high-tech industrial-level PTZ security camera for less than the price of average home security cameras. The fourth product on our list is the Blink XT2. This is our best value per dollar outdoor security camera. The $90 Blink XT2 security camera is great for anyone looking for a dependable security camera without paying for most of the bells and whistles of higher-priced security cameras. It works as both an indoor and outdoor camera with full 1080p resolution and long battery life, and stretches your dollar with great performance and some key features. The camera comes with a small sync module that connects to your home Wi-Fi network. Unlike most security cameras which have circular designs, the XT2 is square with rounded edges and is about the size of a coaster, so you can mount it pretty much anywhere and it'll be quite inconspicuous. It has an IP65 rating, which means it should stand up to rain, hail and even snowstorms. The XT2's 1080p camera has a 110-degree field of view, which is less than the Google Nest Cam, but more than sufficient to capture what's happening outside your door. You can also add extra cameras to the system as well for extended coverage. The camera has a built-in thermometer too, and you can even get alerted if the device detects the temperature falling below or exceeding thresholds you've set. This is a great feature to use indoors, especially in children's nurseries. Since Amazon now owns both Blink and Ring, you can also link the XT2 to the Ring app to use its neighborhood watch feature. The key features are versatile, works both indoors and outdoors. Temperature sensor. You can set upper and lower thresholds and be notified when the ambient temperature falls outside this range. The pros are price. It's inexpensive. Video records 1080p video, weatherproof. It's rated IP65, so it's protected from dust ingress and low pressure water jets. Cloud storage. You get 2 hours of free cloud storage battery. The camera runs on AA batteries and can last up to 2 years without replacement batteries, and for the cons, no Google Assistant support. It only works with Alexa. The Blank X-T2 has a lot to offer at an affordable price, making it an attractive option for anyone looking for a reliable, hassle-free home security solution. Delivering the biggest bang for the dollar. The third product on our list is the Google Nest Cam Outdoor. This is our best wired outdoor security camera. If you like the Nest Cam Indoor, you're probably going to love the Google Cam Outdoor camera, in line with Google's innovation, style and functionality at affordable prices. The Google Nest Cam is one of the best wired options for your home, and it's currently priced at $160. The Nest Cam captures a crisp HD video 24/7 with a wide field of view to see more of your surroundings in detail. You'll be able to talk to visitors at your door with the built-in two-way speaker system with the Nest app, so you don't even have to be at home. You can even talk to and instruct couriers when they drop off while you're at work or even on vacation. You can even set up notifications for your phone when the motion sensor's triggered. If you're interested in a wireless security camera, check out the Arlo Pro 3 and the Arlo Ultra. Coming up next in the video. Unfortunately, there's no onboard storage, but you get 3 free hours of storage with additional storage available with the optional Nest Aware subscription. Nest Aware gives you some amazing features, including the facial recognition feature, which helps the Nest Cam to determine if it's a friend or stranger at the door. The key features are Smart Home works with Google Home, Alexa and Fire TV. Wide field of view. The 130-degree wide field of view will capture more of your surroundings setup. As with all Google products, installation and setup are extremely easy and simple. The pros are 1080 HD video. The quality of the 1080p HD video is detailed and sharp. Night vision. 8 LCD sensors for infrared night vision. Weatherproof. The camera also has an IP rating of 65, meaning it's dust tight and can even be sprayed with a 6.3mm water nozzle without any damage. And for the cons, Nest Aware. Many features are not available without the Nest Aware subscription. No local storage, only 3 hours of free cloud storage without a subscription. The Google Nest Cam Outdoor is one of the most feature-rich, dependable and powerful outdoor security cameras available, and can detect friends from foes to automatically track suspicious activity. If you want the best quality video with the best cloud service, the Nest Cam Outdoor is the camera to buy. The second product on our list is the Arlo Pro 3. This is our best overall outdoor security camera. If you're looking for a great security camera with excellent video quality, easy installation and robust features, the $400 Arlo Pro 3 is a great option to consider. It comes with amazing 2K video and an array of security features that sets it apart from most competitors. The Arlo Pro 3 is extremely versatile. It's a 2-camera system, so you can choose to have them both indoors or outdoors, or have one in and one out. It's up to you. You can always add more cameras to the system for additional coverage. The 2K video is quite amazing. It supports high dynamic range that beats out regular 1080p cameras. You'll get to pick out key details in your video even in night vision mode. It has a 160-degree field of view, which is considerable but not as wide as the 180 degrees you get from the Arlo Ultra, which also delivers 4K video, which is coming up next in the video. The Arlo Pro 3 uses a smart hub which provides network connectivity between the cameras and your router. It also comes with a noise-canceling two-way audio system, so you can converse with the person at the door or ward off strangers before setting off the built-in siren, if they persist. The Arlo Pro 3 is one of the best overall security cameras, delivering close to the higher-priced Arlo Ultra's performance but misses out on some of the features. The key features are Smart Home support. It also comes with built-in support for Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant field of view. You get a wide 160-degree field of view that captures more of your property. USB port. The hub comes with a USB to port for external video storage. The pros are 2K. The Arlo Pro 3 shoots and captures detailed 2K HD videos. Spotlight and siren. Both the motion sensor spotlight and siren are built-in two-way audio system, allows you to talk to people at the door or on your property while you're at home or away. And for the cons, zoom in track mode doesn't support 2K in automatic zoom in track mode. The Arlo Pro 3 is a premium Level 2 camera system with enhanced image quality, integrated security features and simple app controls that make it a fabulous choice for home surveillance. It's one of the smartest systems around, especially when combined with the AI features that come with the monthly subscription. The first product on our list is the Arlo Ultra. This is our best 4K outdoor security camera. The Arlo Ultra is one of the first security cameras that streams and records video in stunning 4K, and it's packed with features including color night vision, motion tracking, auto zooming and intelligent motion detection at $580. It seems expensive, but when you consider the value of what it's providing security for, it just may be worth it. If not for the peace of mind alone. It's a first-class security camera with 4K UHD video, a wide field of view to capture more of the surrounding exterior, and improved night vision with sharp detailed images that are not overblown. You'll be able to easily identify people in cars with the auto zoom with tracking and auto focus on moving objects features. The camera also has an embedded spotlight that will light up when motion is detected. Like the Arlo Pro 3, the Ultra also comes as a 2-camera plus hub package, which includes a 2-way speaker system so you can speak to visitors or delivery people. The best part is that you don't even have to be at home. The key features are versatile camera. The Arlo Ultra has color night vision, AI-based motion tracking, auto zooming and intelligent motion detection. Smart home support. It works with Amazon Alexa, Apple Watch and Google Assistant. The pros are 180-degree field of view, capture more of your surroundings or your room wall to wall to a speaker system. You can talk to visitors or delivery people from the comfort of your home or while you're away. Magnetic charger. It comes with a convenient magnetic charger subscription. It comes with a 1-year Premier Plan subscription with free cloud storage. And for the cons, remote streams. The 4K streaming to the app is only available when your device is connected to the same network as the camera. Otherwise you get 1080p videos remotely. The Arlo Ultra may seem expensive, but when you consider the 4K video and all the premium features and functions, you're getting significant bang for the buck. For those who don't mind paying a little premium for one of the best security cameras available, you can be rest assured about your security with the Arlo Ultra security camera system. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave it like if you're new to the channel and you like the video. Consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.